Hi, thanks for watching SWF Beach Life. Today I'm bringing something a little different to you. I was thinking about people who might be on vacation down here and maybe you want to bring home some shells. And I'll let you know what I did to clean these guys up with stuff that you can find in any old kitchen. I want to send these to my friend up in New Jersey who's been very supportive and awesome. So I picked out a couple of shells. There's a lightning whelk, that was a Florida conch, there's a spiny jewel box, there's an olive. So I wanted to make sure that these were clean with no bacteria or any kind of smelly stuff. So I took them into the kitchen, gave them another look over just to make sure that they were good enough to send, and then I just put them in a pot and put in some regular H2O. Now, I was again specifically thinking about people who were on vacation because you probably don't have access to the muriatic acid, or maybe you don't feel like soaking your shells in bleach. I was also kind of concerned about what that might do to the color. I'll have to test that at some point. But for this experiment, I just really wanted to make sure that they were clean and they weren't going to smell. So again, I put them in a pot, just boiled some water for, I don't know, it's probably about 10 minutes just to make sure I killed anything that might be lingering. And then what you can do is then polish them with mineral oil, which I did rather. I'll show you how that worked out. But I've heard you can use suntan lotion. Just don't use olive oil or any kind of food-based oils because they could get rancid, so and you don't want that. So I wanted to make sure when my friend Kim opened these that they would be squeaky clean, and that's how they came out. That's the Tulip. Super love that shell. Didn't really get that shiny. That guy cleaned up pretty nice. And the colors were brought out a little bit on that whelk, so he's kind of pretty. So Kim, these are coming to you. Hope I gave you some ideas on how to clean your shells if you're on vacation.